This episode reveals how hidden symmetries govern crystals, leaf venation, and planetary orbits, proving math is woven into reality. Educators rarely emphasize that symmetry reduces complexity, allowing incredible patterns to emerge from simple rules and repetitive processes. By studying tilings, phyllotaxis, and orbital resonances, students encounter a language where beauty signals accurate predictions. This video compares overlooked demonstrations of universality, showing how a single principle can connect snowflakes, atoms, and galaxies. Beyond memorizing formulas, viewers learn to read evidence across disciplines, strengthening curiosity and empowering informed, independent thinking and skepticism.